Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Very warm welcome to my vlog series. In this new episode of my vlog, today I am going to share with you a very beautiful valley where a very unique and a very amazing waterfall is located. Dear viewers, if you want to visit this very amazing waterfall, so start your journey from Kalam, passing through the Ushu forest area. You will be able to reach Mataltan, which is almost 13 kilometers from Kalam, and further up is Paloga or Palogai Valley, which is 16 kilometers from Kalam. And further up is the Durga glacier in Durga Valley, which is almost 18 kilometers from Kalam. Dear viewers, from here you will be able to reach almost 25 to 24 kilometers from Kalam, or around 6 to 7 kilometers further up from Durga glacier. Dear viewers, this particular destination is recently discovered, and it is called as the Mataltan or Ushu waterfall, but actually the real name of this waterfall is the Shandur waterfall. The water of this waterfall is descending or flowing downwards from the Chatral Valley, and this is therefore called as the Shandur waterfall. And this is round about 15 kilometers ahead of Mahodhand, that is the Saifullah Lake located in the Mahodhand Valley. So dear viewers, almost this is just in front of you, mesmerizing view and enticing the public tourist eyes to visit it. The whole valley has been disturbed by the August 2022 great flood. So the trek is almost disturbed, and just in front of you, through this way, you can be able to reach there. But the waterfall as a whole is so beautiful. And to tell you further that, dear viewers, right from Kalam up to Mahodhand, there are so many beautiful waterfalls, and for you it is just to reach here. Forget about the trek, because we need to have some adventure, and just come out from your houses and go there to enjoy the adventurous trek. And hiking, trekking is a fabulous hobby, and we need to promote tourism. And the brave people, they are taking opportunities and cashing it. And look at the height from where it is flowing downward, joining the river Swat, that is the river Mahodhand. Almost you can say for about more than 400 feet might be roundabout, and you need to visit to enjoy the numerous waterfalls located here in the upper Kalam Valley. But the most amazing, beautiful, this Shandur waterfall. So let's start your journey. Just come to Kalam. Though the road is not good, it's not for the normal vehicle. You need to come here through the jeep. Anyhow, many people, they are coming with their own normal car, and from Kalam hiring jeep, and through jeep they are coming here. Look at the beautiful view, very attractive and very mesmerizing, and it is full of adventure. and you will like this wonderful view. Though the road is not feasible, very bumpy, and it needs a lot of repairment, because in August 2022 the great flood devastated whatever came in its way. So my request would be to come here and enjoy this wonderful view, and don't forget subscribing my channel. Please keep watching, like the video, share it with your friends. Pakistan is so beautiful. We need to explore many new areas, and the whole valley, this SwatKohistan, is full of adventures, and what we need to explore and to attract people. Through this way we can promote tourism of Pakistan, and if we played our inning, we can generate revenue, what we need right now. And I do believe that we should play our part to promote the tourism culture, and tourism is the backbone of any nation. It is one of the flourishing industry, and here in the SwatKohistan we have a lot of opportunities. So let's come here to enjoy. So dear viewers, after enjoying the very wonderful and fabulous Shandur waterfall, finally lunch is ready. We have brought with ourselves chapli kebab from Bahrain Bazaar, which is very famous, and I am fond of chapli kebab, so it is before us. And we have also brought bread with us. So dear viewers, after enjoying the very wonderful adventure tour to Shandur waterfall, it's time for a cup of tea. And thank you. God bless you. Stay blessed. Bye bye.